Hi, this is Dr. Surya Prakash Rao. I'm the head of the Department of Cardiology in Global Hospital, Hyderabad. Here we work as a team consisting of 10 full-time working cardiologists who are experienced and well qualified, and we take care of the patients who come to the acute emergency and on OPD basis also. This unit has got a very good equipment of advanced technology, including the latest 2D echocardiogram and the 3D echocardiogram and the transesophageal echo. And in the invasive work, we got a ultra-modern cath lab with the Innova, which is an integrated IVUS, which is the first of its kind in India. So this gives a beautiful picture of the inside of the coronary artery. Any blocks in detail you can see it, and we can give a good treatment and stenting, perfect stenting for these patients. So this is first time installed in the country, this integrated IVUS system. And also we proclaim that we stay back in the hospital when full-time cardiologist with anesthetist team to give what is called a primary PTCA. This is when somebody gets a chest pain. You see, the chest pain should be treated if it is a heart attack within the 1 hour period. This is called the golden hour. Very important, because the patient can have some symptoms like a congestion or heaviness in the chest, or he can have some breathlessness. Particularly in diabetic patients and elderly patients, there are no symptoms. Suddenly they may have some sweating, uneasiness and collapse. Nowadays we are seeing more of young patients who got in 30 years, 25 years, we see they just smoke and they got some family history. Sometimes we don't know what exactly happening, and these patients turn up with a massive heart attacks. And when we bring them to the hospital, do what is called a primary PTCA, without giving much medication, we directly open the coronary artery, which is blocked by clot, and surprisingly we see very bad disease in these young patients. Maybe the fast food and lack of exercise, lack of and other thing is job stress, all contributing to these young people. So my advice to these youngsters is, don't neglect. Once you got a chest pain, I am very young, I don't have any heart attack. Not like this. In India particularly, the picture is totally different. The operators coming from far and see our workshops, they are surprised to see the age of the disease comes to India, and a lot of financial burden, economic stress on the country also. So anybody coming with any dyspeptic symptoms is very common. I got acidity, I have taken some food having some masala, something. It's not like that. First get a ECG, even you get a dyspeptic symptoms, make sure visit a doctor and rule out the cardiac problem. It's very important.